Hello there. I demand you to know how to alter your own clothes.
How can you demand people to do that when you are not doing it yourself?
Last scene from the previous Hoarder episode.
Let me open this. Let me show you. Yeah, this is my no clothes. This is uncomfy and uncool.
Hello. My name is Emilia and I'm going to donating my clothes to Ducky Thrift Store. Welcome to Ducky Thrift Store. Huh? Where is Ducky? Ducky fell from the ground floor, so he is now resting peacefully. Oh my god, Ducky died? No, Ducky rests peacefully on his bed.
Being a plushie is not so bad.
I came here to donate. I don't care what you do, just leave the donation here. Wait, who are you? I am Small Chick, his wife. Wait, but you look young. How dare you insult me? Get out. I might be older than your granddaughter, but I don't have any granddaughter. Exactly. Get out. I don't want your donation, you filthy smelly fish. Well, Small Chick won't accept my donation because I insult her. Now I'm going to the chicken clothing store.
Clothing donation? I'm not sure if I can accept it, but just to make sure, let me just check it out. Hello? Dad? Do we accept donation?
No,
Yes, it's from Emilia.
absolutely not.
No? Okay.
Bye.
Sorry, I cannot accept your clothing donation. Dad said no. What is wrong with you?
Nobody wants to accept my clothing donation. What am I supposed to do with this bag of clothes?
What's wrong with the clothes? Some of them are too long and have loose bottoms or don't fit my bum. Come on, those are fixable. You call yourself a seamstress, but you have been possessed by Emilia, the consumerism goblin, for too long. I summon your seamstress soul. In the name of fabric and garment, I command you, Emilia, out of that body and be a seamstress now.
I just remembered that I have this hand. I have two hands. And I have a book. Since when I read books, I don't remember. When I get up and I really did not recognize anything in my surrounding until I saw this. I saw this sewing machine.
Oh my god, that sewing machine looks like a sewing machine.
Oh, a scissors. Oh, sewing materials for alteration. Oh, and a cat. Okay, to alter your pants, all you need to do is lay down your pants very neatly. You want to make sure that both of the sides is aligned perfectly the same side. Try on my pants and then I mark it down just to the desired length that I want, and then I just mark it with a pin and then mark it again with the tailor chalks, and then I grab my measuring tape. My measuring tape is my everything, so in this one I give it 5 centimeters. So I'm going to make a 2.5 volt. Yeah, and then just mark it out. And just got it. Afterwards, I grab my measuring tape again and then measure it to 2.5 each and fold it. I am very bad at explaining actually. Measure it again and then start pressing it. Well, you can skip this step if you are pretty confident with your sewing skill. So, what if you don't have any sewing machine?
Can you hear that? Somebody doesn't have a sewing machine. Ha! I know, right? It was you, wasn't it? No, you! No, you! No, you! No, you!
Please stop fighting. I don't have a sewing machine either.
Well, at least I have some garlic.
Prove it. If you don't have any sewing machine, you are still in luck. All you need to have is a thread and a sewing needles. This one is optional, but look at my thimbles collection. My thimbles. But if you don't have any thimbles, that's fine too. You can always use your hand. You have your hand. Make a knot on the thread and wear your thimbles if you have it. If you don't, well, just wear your hands and then you start sewing with your hand. So here's how you do it with your hand. Just pinch a little bit from this side. Yeah, and then like this. Yeah, and then you're gonna stick your needle here. And then push your needle out like this. Do the same thing over and over again until you finish your pants. Okay, let's do that again. Step it. Just pinch a little bit to that side. Just a little bit. You don't want it to show in the front. If you take too much, it's going to show in the front. Unless you have the same thread. But in this case, I don't have the same thread. Okay, so after 4 or 5 stitches, you want to do this one. You want to lock your stitching. Here's how I do it.
Ta-da! And don't forget to trim this one. I pinched too much over here. You can see a little bit tiny threads, tiny white threads over here. It's because I used the white color.
Alright, since I have my own sewing machine, I don't have to hand stitch my wall pen. And after you finish sewing, press your pens. Please press it. Actually, I really love pressing. It's going to make your pens look neat. Okay, so I have this beautiful skirt that I love, but I cannot wear it because every time I went to the toilet, it touches the floor and it makes me gross out. So here's how you shorten your skirt. First, you want to mark all around the skirt with your tailor swift. No, I mean the tailor chalk. Just mark it as your desired length, and then you want to start cutting your skirt. So in this case, I was giving it 2 cm seam allowance. You can skip this part if you're confident in your sewing skill. For me personally, I love to pressing before I start my sewing. So I just fold it twice. Each folding is going to be a centimeter long. Okay, so just start sewing. And this is my face when I was editing my videos. I was on the rooftop. I don't know what I was doing, but well, this time I'm going to teach you how to sew your buttons. This is the easiest thing you can learn. So you just have a thread, a button, and then a thimble if you have. I don't really use thimbles here because it's bothering me. So you just have to make a knot on your thread, and then you just step your garment sideways, and afterwards you want to pick up your buttons, and then you're going to repeat the same thing at least for 3 times. You are going to tighten your sewing, your hand stitching. This is optional, but you can sew your buttons on your rooftop if you like, but this is very optional. So you want to step through the garment until it comes out the back. Then twist the thread, just like how I do in this video. I think my brain is fried and I am doing the
futuristic jazz and freestyle grammar in this video. Tara, we are finished! Yay! Look at me. I am so proud of wearing this. May my skirt doesn't touch the toilet floor anymore. The second skirt, I fixed the button. I am so proud of myself. Well, maybe I need to lose weight. And then look at my pants. I just shortened it. Isn't it nice? I am so proud of myself. I can dance without tripping on my pants. I finally finished the clothes that I am about to donate, so I can wear them again. What do you mean? You just altered 3 garments. You still have a bag of clothes.
So when are we going to shop for clothes again?